Hello everyone. I'm going to be picking the American Lock 1100 today. I have had this lock for a while now, and I've been working on it since I first started picking. Basically, I bought what essentially was a box to blue set by myself. And this lock has been through a lot. I got it before I even got my lock picking tools, and it was the first disassemblable lock I had. So I disassembled it the first day I had it, and I managed to screw it up by playing around with it while it wasn't in the lock body. I was turning the key while the lock cylinder was out, and I managed to dump the key pins out, and I wasn't thinking, and I kept turning it, and I managed to get the driver pins inside the lock, and I had to basically mangle the screws to fix it. I also had to replace the retaining screw because I managed to strip the end of it, so it wasn't actually going into the retaining nut. And I also had lost the original seat clip for a while. I actually found it today while I was cleaning up around my couch. It had gone like 90 degrees from where I thought it probably went. So, yeah. So yeah, I guess I'll get to picking. Oh, I should probably, oops. Okay. Let's use a number 7 hook and my 50 thousandths. Okay. So we're gonna go in, and we have number 1. Little click. I think it's good. Number 2. It's really soft for some reason. So there's 1. Okay, I think I overset 1. Okay. In fact, let's just start from the beginning since we're only on 1 and 2. Okay. Okay, let's move on to 2. 2 clicks. 3, nothing out of 3, it's a 0 cut. 4, 2 clicks, I think it's set. 4. Is that 5? Okay, let's go back to the beginning. 1. Okay. And 2. Okay. 2 I think is set. 3. Oh, that's not a good sign. Okay. Start this over. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there's 4. 5. 5 I think is good. 4 is good. Okay, back to 1. God damn it. Get back in there. Okay. One. I think I overset one. Yeah, I keep oversetting it. Let's try a different pick. Okay. 1, 2, nothing on 3, 4, 5. Oh, there it is. Okay. Yeah, I'll try to do that again. Why not? Oh. Okay. And 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3's good. 4, 5, back to 1. One is springy. Shoot, I overset something. And I lost that again. I don't know why I'm having so much trouble with that. Okay. There's 1. There's 2. There's 3. 4. Might have overset that. Yeah, I think I overset 4. Overset 1. Yeah. 2, 3, 4. 4's good, I think. Wait, that was 5, I think. Okay, this is going terribly. One, 2, 3. So that was 4. 5. No. 5 springy. Back to 1. 1 is springy. That shouldn't be springy. Keep oversetting these. Okay. 1, 2, 4. Oh my god. Now I'm just getting really bad at this. Okay. 1. Click add 1. 2 clicks add 2. Set. 3. Set. 4. Set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. this thing keeps slipping out. Okay. My hand's getting tired. Two, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Okay. Got this and finish this off. I guess that doesn't matter right now. Okay. Oh, come on. Come on. I don't know why I have so much trouble getting this screw out. Come on. Thank you. Actually, before I do that, let's actually take this key out, because I know that's going to give me grief if I leave that in with the retaining drill stuff on. Okay. There. On. Drill protector. No, the thank you. Okay. Cylinder, gut wrench. Now let's take the C-clip off before we put in the key. Oh, great. Okay. Come on. Whatever. Okay. And then you. Other way. Oop. Okay. We have one and two. Three, 4, and 5, I guess. No, other way around. Okay. Get back here. Okay. And in chamber 1, we have a serrated spool. 2 is just a regular serrated. 3 is another serrated. 4 is a serrated. 5 is a serrated. Okay. Okay, I think that's everything. Not the hardest pinning in the world, especially since 3 is a zero cut. It took me a bit to figure that out, and I think that was the main thing that was preventing me from getting this one done earlier, is not realizing that 3 was a zero cut. So that's something I need to practice on. It's just putting a zero cut in random places and seeing if I can figure out if it's a zero cut or not without having to like disassemble it and look at that. But yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching.